In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Discord offline mode not syncing. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if the issue is related to network. Next, open Discord. Tap on the profile icon, then tap on the active status over here. Here, you want to turn off the offline mode, select online over here. Then again, you want to turn the offline or invisible mode on again and check if your messages or data begin syncing properly. If the problem continues, completely close the Discord app, then reopen it and check if your problem has been resolved. If not, then tap on the profile icon. Here, tap on settings. Now scroll down and find the option of chat, select that. Here under data consumption, make sure that you have toggled off the option of data saver or data saving mode. When it's enabled, it can sometimes affect syncing. If you're still experiencing the problem, clear the Discord app cache. For that, long press on the Discord app, tap on the app info icon, which will take you to app settings. Now tap on storage. Here find clear cache and tap on that. You can also head back and tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. If your problem is still not fixed, make sure that Discord is updated to the latest version. Open Play Store or App Store and search for Discord. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. If nothing else works, you can simply reinstall the app. For that, tap on the uninstall option. After it has been uninstalled, open Play Store or App Store and reinstall it again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.